2.5-3 ವರ್ಷಗಳಿಂದ ಸಾಹಿತ್ಯ ಕೃಷಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಟು ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಸತ್ಯನಾರಾಯಣ. ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಅಪ್. ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಅಕ್ನಾಲೆಡ್ಜ್ ಯು ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇಫ್ ಹಿ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಎನ್ಕರೇಜ್ಡ್ ಮೀ, ಅವರ ಒಂದು ಸಹಕಾರ ಇಲ್ಲದಿದ್ರೆ ಇವತ್ತು ನಾನು ಲೇಖನಗಳನ್ನ ಬರೆಯಕ್ಕಾಗ್ತಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಜ್ಞಾನ ಕಸ್ತೂರಿಗೆ ಆ ಲೇಖನಗಳು ಝೀರೋ ಟು ಹೀರೋ ಅಂತ ಶುರು ಮಾಡಿ 2.5 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ಇವತ್ತು ಅದು ಒಂದು ಪುಸ್ತಕದ ರೂಪದಲ್ಲಿ 3 ತಿಂಗಳ ಹಿಂದೆ ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಆಯಿತು. ಅರವಿಂದ್ ಜತ್ತಿ ಅವರು ಬಂದಿದ್ರು. ದೆನ್ ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಪುಸ್ತಕ, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಝೆನ್. ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಅಕ್ನಾಲೆಡ್ಜ್ ಆಲ್ ಮೈ ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್. I started my spiritual journey when I was just 16 years, and I have to remember my sister, she is here, Dr. Kusma Venkatesh. Please get up. Where are you? I want her to get up. Give a big hand to her. She introduced me to Mahesh Yogi's translated meditation when I was 16 years. My marks and as well as health was at the going southwards, southwards. Meditation came as a miracle in my life. I think one of my childhood friend, B.R. Ravi, where are you? Please get up. He knows about my background, okay? And 3rd class was my very favorite class. 210 to 250 was the maximum number I used to get it. At that time, meditation came as a tool. Really thanks to Mahesh Yogi and my sister. Then I went on to Ramakrishna Ashram. Thanks to Vivekananda. ಅವರ ಒಂದು 7 ಎದ್ದೇಳು ಗುರಿ ಮುಟ್ಟುವ ತನಕ ನಿಲ್ಲಬೇಡ ಅನ್ನುವ ಒಂದು ಧೀರವಾಣಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತು. ಬಸವನಗುಡಿ ಅಟ್ಮಾಸ್ಫಿಯರ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಆ ಒಂದು ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಎಚ್ ನರಸಿಂಹನವರಿದ್ರು. ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಫೋರಮ್ ಅಂತ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಆಲ್ ಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಗ್ಲೋರಿಯಸ್ ಡೇಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. So that is the atmosphere. Then I went on to Sukhabodhananda ji. Sukhabodhananda avaru ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಕಡಿಮೆ there before that itself I met in somewhere in 1989 Dr. Hegde ji. I think I was doing MBA. I wanted to check my marketing skills. Then I took over marketing of an encyclopedia called World Book. Correct, sir? He didn't take that World Book, but he just got married at that time, I think. And the children were too small. He referred to the opposite fellow. Believe it, that is the first order I got it, which was worth about 35,000-40,000 at that time. Okay, and from that time, 89 onwards, Timothy Hegde and myself, he was very closely associated with Bharat Chandra, and I was with Milt and Seal. And whatnot. This is the we share very good relationship in last 25 years, almost 23 years I think. And Sukhabodhananda ji, we were work 1-to-1, and he is the one. I mean, then I went on to Osho. I was in Osho commune for some time, and I got initiated. So there, really the person who influenced the great is none other than Osho Rajneesh. I have to remember him at this point of time, at Swami Sukhabodhananda ji. Then the Zen really took deep root in me. Yavaga andre, especially Dr. Hegde started speaking, I have called I don't know how many times, only on Zen he has spoken. I think in this very hall he came, I think long about 6 years back, he spoke on Zen and Zen masters. So and then I started taking interest in Zen, and believe it, then I went on to Satya Sai. Then I really know how to really do seva, and then I started taking interest in my villages and their schools. In 2005, I met the great man called Brahmashi Patriji. I have to remember, give a big hand to him, because he is an embodiment of all my masters. Starting with Mahesh Yogi up to Satya Sai, he has really given me a finishing touch. I was thinking, speaking was roaring, but by the experience in last 7-8 years, speaking is expressing yourself. I have understood. ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ನಾವು ಅಭಿವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಗೊಳಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದೇ ಮಾತಾಡೋದು. ನನಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಮಾತನ್ನು ತೋರಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಕ್ಕಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೆ. ಡೇ 2005 I met in this very hall, Patriji. This hall has got a certain vibrations. Okay, I met him in this very hall, and from that day to today he has given me a lot of responsibilities. I don't know what he saw in me, and he did really give a finishing touch to me. And I would like to say that I have traveled extensively with him. He is an amazing master and truly a Zen master. Because a master is one. Don't ask his disciple to become his slave. He is a real master. He gives his freedom to grow, to have his own space. That is Patriji. He has given us all the space. I think everybody agrees, the pyramid masters here. He has given us the space to grow. And believe it, in the year 2009, he called from Anandpur. He said, "You're coming to Anandpur." I went, "You're standing for elections." I said, "Come on, I'm a businessman, I'm into construction. How can I stand for elections?" "No, you stand." I think Rajan also, sir also knows about it. It's a shock. No, then I went, he was in a rally, 10,000 people were going, he took me in his hands and said, "Why me?" I asked, "Naan yaake aagbeku? Why should I?" He asked me, "Why not you?" Again I asked, "Why me?" He said, "Why not you?" When good water comes, the bad water, the fresh water comes, the old water goes. And what all he encouraged, and believe it, 2009, I think about 15 to 20 people all over the India we stood, and that is the record we created from Pyramid Party of India. I mean, that is the first spiritual party. I don't know from where he got the idea that politics can also be spiritualized in the year 1999. And we are talking of the same from Anna Hazare or whatever, whoever is talking about. And even Mahatma Gandhi ji spoke of that, spiritualizing politics. ರಾಜಕೀಯದ ಆಧ್ಯಾತ್ಮಿಕರಣ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಆವತ್ತು ದಿನಾನೇ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. ಸೊ ಬಿಲೀವ್ ಇಟ್, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದಟ್ ಮೇಡ್ ಮೀ ಟು ರಿಯಲಿ ಲುಕ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ರಿಯಲಿ ದಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ದ ಅಮೇಝಿಂಗ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್. ನನಗೆ ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಅನುಭವ ಅಂದರೆ ನನ್ನ ಕೈಲಿ ಏನು ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದು, ದಟ್ ಮಿರಾಕಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್. ಸೊ Patriji is a person who encourages people and make them discover what they really are. In Visakhapatnam, he called me and said, "You're releasing your book." When? "I'm coming on April 1st. Believe it or not, March 31st, the printer gave about 200 copies of. That is the amazing miracle of zero to hero. And this Zen, I've been working for last 2.5 years, and he said this time has come to release it. Of course, he released in the valley in a private meeting. Now today we are here to release my book, and he called me from US and I told him that this is going to happening, and team of Dr. Hegde is releasing my book. He was very happy, and so that is the quality of a real master. And to talk about Zen, I think I don't want to talk on them because there are masters who are here to talk on it. I feel there's the last 24 years of my experience with the various masters and friends who contributed a lot in my life. The carrying the divinity within you is Zen. And the core principle of Zen is to live in the moment, whatever it is. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕ್ಷಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯೋ ಅದನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದೇ, ಸಾಕ್ಷಿ ಭಾವವಾಗಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದೇ ನಿಜವಾದ Zen. And I know if you read my book, you will understand it is nothing but dhyana has become Zan in China, has become Zen in Japan. So you will understand that, and that is how I took interest in it and started working on it. And I have I've compared the Zen with science, how Zen is different from science. People talk Zen, and so I don't want to talk more on my book because Rajan sir is going to talk and Dr. Hegde is going to speak on Zen meditation. And I would like to say one word, that what is science and Zen? They are just opposites. They're just opposites, and science is logical, Zen is magical. Science is an arithmetic, is a pure arithmetic, and Zen is about art. And science is about analysis, Zen is about synthesis. Science is for the go-getters, and Zen says let go. Science is about outer will, Zen is about inner. Science is about outer skill, khale. Zen is about inner will. So science is about efficiency, Zen is about emotions. Science is about becoming a hero, Zen is about becoming a zero. There is a hero in every zero, and a hero has to have a zero in him. That is, and I dedicate this book at the feet of my master Patriji and to all the masters who have been associated with the last 25 years, and on the behalf of all the masters present here, I welcome all the guests who are present here, and I would like to formally welcome Dr. Hegde, and I would like to call upon Ravi Puranik to just to give our token of love